Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to publish your Replit app on App Store and on Play Store. So what you need to do is open your Replit account, sign into your account, and then go to apps and then open the app that you want to publish. Make sure that it is already published in Replit, and when you press on share you will get the link. When you open it you can see something from that link as the app should react or should work, and then go to median.co website. You just search for median.co and then paste the URL here that you copied from Replit, and then you need to give a name to your app. For example, I will leave it clinic register, and then you need to input a valid email address and then press on start building my app. Now you can see that it is starting the build iOS, and then it will start also for Android. Wait until it finish building. After it finished building, you can see different simulators here if you want to add for Android phone, for iPad, and for iPhone, and all these. And then for iPhone you go down and press on download, and then you can see IPA for iOS or source code, and APK, AEB, and source code also for Android. You can just press on build for iOS here, and also build for Android. You need to wait until it finish building, and then you need to download it as APK or AAB. And then what you need to do is to create a developer account in Google Play console, and you make sure to upload the app in Google Play after you create the Google Play console, and wait for their verification for the app and their approval. And for iOS it's the same thing. You need to create an Apple developer account, and then you need to upload the app to Apple developer, and then wait for their approval for the app after they check it. And then if they approved it, it will be live on App Store, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.